Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly how to improve Shopify SEO. This SEO hack pocketed my Shopify store in Google in less than 24 hours, and it's something that no one is talking about. Super simple. Anyone can do it, and best of all, it's free. The thing with SEO is that when you build a site, you need to let Google know that it exists. I bet that you built your store, you've typed it into Google, and you get 0 results. Am I right? That's because you haven't submitted your site to Google. There's a thing behind every single store and every website on the internet that's called a sitemap. And Google needs this sitemap so it knows how many pages are on your store, what your store is about, and that it actually exists on the internet. So that then, if someone searches for your store, Google can go to that sitemap, find the right page for them, and then put those results in its search engine. Luckily, Shopify already has a sitemap built in that you can submit directly to Google. You can find this by going to your domain.com/sitemap.xml. Once you've got that, you want to head over to Google Search Console, create an account there, and then submit your sitemap into Google using the Google Search Console, and within 24 hours, you will see the results.